Hey, it is raining. Raining, raining, raining. Hey. Hey, Fendi. Oh my goodness, she is adorable. She's very treat motivated. This is Fendi. Hi, look at those pretty blue eyes of hers. She is a gorgeous dog. We're out in the back of the shelter, out under our awning here because it is raining. Raining. As you can imagine, walking dogs in the rain, kind of not fun. Not really fun. But we're out here with this gorgeous dog. This is Fendi. She's a little over a year old, so she's right at that super energetic, I'm still kind of a puppy, but I'm a regular dog size dog stage in life. Look at her. She's so smart, guys. Super, super intelligent. She's been adopted and returned a few times. She's really great at getting adopted, but equally as great at getting returned. She just has a lot of energy, and she needs people that will be able to continue working with her and training her. As you can see, she's very treat motivated, super smart. Watch, let me see if we can get her to do this again. Okay, sit down, Fendi. I don't know if she'll sit, but check out what she does. We're gonna do it live on camera. Here we go. Oh, no, she didn't do it. Y'all, last time she caught it in her mouth and it was super cute. Let's see if we can do it one more time. One more again. Yay, there she goes. So, Fendi, we really need to find this dog a permanent home, a forever home, a loving home, somebody that can work with her. She doesn't like being alone. Some men kind of frighten her. We don't know what that is about. She's a little nervous around men, but she is a sweetheart. She thinks she's a lap dog. She needs a lot of exercise. That's that husky part of her. She is absolutely adorable. Hey, Paulette. Thank you for joining our video. You have 8 rescues, Paulette. That's a lot. Oh my goodness, good for you. That's amazing. Look at her. Isn't she sweet? Watch, we're gonna do it one more time. One more time. So treat motive. Oh, too high, too high. Anyway, so back to Fendi. We need to get her adopted. So please help spread the word about this gorgeous dog. We're gonna go inside. Look at that face. We're gonna go inside and meet the rest of our dogs. Wendy's gonna go put Fendi up in her kennel. If you have any questions about Fendi, please do send a private message. We'd love to hear from you. She's good around some dogs. If you have another dog at your house, you might want to bring them along to see if they get along. Cats are a no-go. She likes to chase cats. We tried talking to her about that. Didn't make any difference. Still no cats. Okay, so Wendy's gonna go put Fendi back. We're gonna get started on the tour. We have treats. Like I said, my hands smell like snausages already. Good thing I already had lunch, or I might be chowing down on a treat. Give us just a second. And I wonder what foster care is doing today. Being awesome? Are they being awesome? Are you guys being awesome today?
We're always awesome.
Oh, that's what I like to hear, Yvonne. Ah, love it. Okay, so now we're gonna go back to dogs. Let's not get sidetracked. Okay. We have a lot of dog surgery days today, so we might see a few empty kennels because the dogs are at surgery. If you want to see all of the animals that we currently have for adoption, go to our website, www.cat4pets.org. Hi guys. This baby, we're still evaluating this baby and trying to get her ready for adoption. We're working on it. She's still here. Oh, this is Nikki. Nikki's 10-month-old shepherd mix. Super, super nervous. She's afraid of cameras. Love her. Ram has done a great job at fostering her. I'm gonna scoot-a-loot a little treat into her kennel if I can, because I have Camera in one hand, treats under my arm. Hi, Mickey. Here, treats. Did you eat it? You ate it already. You're so quick. No, you didn't eat it yet. She'll eat it. Good dog. Love her. Hi. Look at, this is Bella. Bella's a 4-year-old hound mix. She's a big girl. She weighs 83 pounds. We don't like talking about weight, but you know, let's scoot a little treat in there for her. You gotta stay right there, Bella. Stay in there. There you go. Good girl. I like to see those tail wags. She is 4 years old. Super sweet girl. Look at her. Love her little tail wag. And I keep going. Remember, we have a pet supply shop. If you need any supplies for your pets, we might have everything you need. So just head on over. Hi. Frankie. Hey, Frankie. Frankie is a 1.5-year-old hound retriever mix. Frankie. Hey, Frankie. So we got treats. Wendy is going to come back around after she's done putting Fendi up, and she's going to help pass out treats. Because logistically, this is very hard one-handed. Hey, Frankie. Treats. He's like, no, I don't want your treats. Oof. We'll come back and make sure he eats that. Hey, Frank. He's also a big boy. He weighs 92 pounds. 92 pounds a dog. Venus. Venus is an 11-month-old shepherd mix. She weighs 55 pounds. Hi. Hey, cutie. Okay. Don't come out. Hey. There's your treats. Good girl. Gotta lock the door. It's a process. She's cute. They kind of look the same. Frankie's on the right. Venus is on the left. Both awesome dogs. This is Luffy. Hey, Luffy. Luffy's an 8-month-old cattle dog terrier. Hi. Yes. Okay. We're gonna do treats. He knows. He's like, I'm getting a treat. He saw the other dogs getting a treat. I don't want to open the door too far, or else he'll make a break for it. I know he will. He's cute. This poor dog is sitting here. The light broke. The light bulb went out. We haven't changed it out yet, but it's on our list. It's on our to-do list. This is Gumbo. He's a 1-year-old boxer retriever. Gumbo. Let's get him a treat too. Gumbo. Oh, good timing, Wendy. Here, I'm passing the treats off to Wendy because I realize I can't do it with one hand. He's so cute. Yeah. Yeah, the light's out. Oh, poor Gumbo sitting in the dark. He's cute. Love it. He's adorable. Okay. We're going to pass off the treats. Oh, goodness gracious. It is so muggy outside, guys. Oh, it's so hot. Ooh, look at this one. This is Fox, a 5-month-old shepherd husky mix. Admittedly, she's kind of a spaz. She needs a lot of training. There's no way we can even try to fib on this one. She's kind of a hot mess. She's full of love. There's totally full of love. Kind of a hot mess. Oh, Valencia, your home is out there somewhere. This is Isabel. Now, I gave Isabel a treat already, so she probably is expecting another one, which is why she's super excited. She loves everyone. She's so cute. She loves those treats. Loves the treats. Oh, this is Mama. Mama's a 5.5-year-old rat terrier mix. Look at her spots and her little tail. Mama weighs 25 pounds. She's so sweet. She just wants out of the kennel. She'll think about the treats later. This sweetie is a stray. After her stray holds, if her owners don't show up, she will be available for adoption. That sound was horrible. Look at this cute dog. So this dog is getting a dog food. She's a little chihuahua named Donut. Hi. We have a pet match system. If you're ever looking for a particular type of dog, a particular breed, please fill out a pet match request with our shelter, and then we can call you when one comes in. She was adopted through our pet match system, so it works. Let us know what you're looking for. This is Jalapeno. Jalapeno is a 1-year-old Chihuahua mix. She's so sweet. Cute. This is Bagel the Beagle. Stray. We're trying to locate the owner. If you're out there, we've been trying to reach you for a few days. Can you please come get your dog? This is Scruffy. Scruffy's a 2-year-old terrier. He's cute. Look at that face. He has kind of a Shih Tzu face on a terrier body. He's cute. Love him. He's so cute. He's like a tall Shih Tzu. He's a tall Shih Tzu. Hi. This is Hammy Potato. Hammy Potato is a 2-year-old Boston Chihuahua mix. Super cute. Love him. We have another little stray dog here. 7-month-old Shepherd mix girl. Everyone gets a treat, even if you're a stray. We love everyone. Okay, let's see who else we have. Ooh, this is Gamora. She's an 8-month-old Shepherd Husky mix. She's gorgeous, gorgeous. Super smart. Super, super smart, as Shepherds usually are. Look at that face. She is so pretty. How pretty is that dog? She's gorgeous. She's watching the people in the window. Hey, Gamora. Look at her. Oh, you want to take her home, don't you? Let's see. Oh, the big dog. This is Amir. Amir's a 4-year-old Shepherd Hound mix. He's so polite. Look at him. Look at his stripes. He's handsome. How much does he weigh? Oh, goodness. Amir weighs 100 pounds. He's a chunk of a dog. But he's very well behaved. Hi, Amir. Hi. You definitely like treats, that's for sure.
He doesn't need it anymore.
This little poodle is on Vetival, so we're trying to get him adoptable. This is Duke. Duke is a 2-year-old boxer terrier. Super cute. Okay, on to the next room. Okay, now we're gonna go into our dog villa room, see what's going on with all of our big dogs. We have a lot of big dogs right now. And then after we go to our dog villa room, we will go to Puppy Palace and see who's in Puppy Palace. Like I said, we do have surgery day going on right now, so a few of our puppies might be getting spayed and neutered, which is always a good thing. Hey. Okay, here we go. Bubba. Hey, Bubba. I love Bubba. He's so sweet. Bubba's a 2-year-old Staffordshire Terrier. Love him. Who? Hi. Rooster. Rooster's a 5-year-old retriever mix. He knows what treats are, that's for sure. Rooster went through heartworm treatment, hence the shaved spots on his back. He did test positive when he came in, positive for heartworms when he came in. He went through imidacide treatment, hence the shaved spots. He's now healthy and ready for love. Cutie. Another white shepherd. But good news, this one is getting adopted. You still get a treat. This is Aster. Aster's a 5-month-old retriever. We're gonna put the treats in the bottom and on the sides of the door. So everyone gets treats today. Again, this is Aster. Look at her face, she's really pretty. So pretty. She's like, okay, I want more treats.
Jacqueline, call extension 121. Jacqueline, extension 121, please.
This is Maverick. Maverick's a 3-year-old German Shepherd. There's your face, Maverick. There he is. There's Maverick. Good boy. Good boy. We have an empty kennel. Shocking. Shocking. But we've had a lot of adoptions, so we want to keep that going. This is Lulu. You're going to love Lulu. Lulu's a 1-year-old German Shepherd. Lulu. Up, 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 up. There you go. She looks pretty purebred. Lulu weighs 62 pounds. She's already spayed. She's ready to go home. She wants to go home. She's one of the prettiest German Shepherds I've seen here in a while. She's very pretty. She's like, I don't want you to see my face though. I know. Let's see if we can get her face one more time. She's like, nope, here's my butt.
Want me to go in?
That nose is going in overdrive. Oh, goodness gracious, Lulu. There we go. You just get a second, that's it. Let's see, this is...
Pedro, who we featured, got adopted today.
Oh, really? Pedro? Oh, this is Pedro's kennel. He got adopted today. Oh, remember we featured Pedro last week? Yay for Pedro. He's the black and tan, big, houndy, shepherdy, retrievery thing dog. He's super cute and super sweet. So glad he got a home. This is Fendi, the dog that we saw outside. Pretty girl. She gets another treat for doing so good. She's like, I want my treat. Give me my treat. This is Magnolia. Oop. She goes right to the bottom of the door. Magnolia is a 6-month-old retriever mix. Let's see if we can get her face. We want to see her face. Magnolia, up. There we go. Good girl. She is very cute. Love her. Love her. Hi. This is Astro. Astro is a 7-month-old retriever mix. He's smart. Look at him. He's like, I think you have treats, so I'm going to sit down.
Yeah.
He's super smart. I like him.
It's good looking.
That's a good dog right
So
there.
gently.
That's a really good dog. This is Rocky, another 7-month-old dog. This is an Australian Shepherd. A mix, Australian Shepherd mix. Super cute. There you go. Hi, handsome. I like his tail. Hi, hi. Treats. Treats, treats. Awesome. Oh, hey, Bubba. He's like, do I get another treat? Because I'm so cute. Okay, Bubba. Talked us into it. Okay. Now the last room that we're going to visit on our tour is Puppy Palace. Oops, excuse. Busy hallway. So we're going to go to Puppy Palace. There is a puppy in here you guys are going to absolutely love. I see him already. You guys are going to love him. He's fantastic. Check it out. He doesn't have a name yet. He's still on stray hold. Little boy. He's an Australian cattle dog pointer mix. He's 13 weeks old. I personally think he needs more spots. He definitely needs more spots. Not quite enough spots. Look at him. He's so cute. Hi. Hi. He's so cute. I love the spots. I want to play like connect the dots and like make little designs on it. So cute. So this is another little stray puppy. Shepherd boxer, 8 weeks old. These guys will be available after their stray holds, which can go usually about 3 days, anywhere from 3 to 5 days on average. Another little stray. This is a 14-week-old shepherd mix. So it's a stray. She's like, I don't know about the treats. We're gonna get to you, woo woo. Look at, we're gonna get to you. We'll get to you. Who else do we have over here? Let's see. Dottie the Dachshund mix is at surgery. Oh, look at these guys. These are Terrier Retriever mixes. This is Little Man and Elliot. They are both boys. They're about 10 weeks old. Look at those ears. I love them. They're pretty well behaved for puppies. I've kind of been keeping my eye out on these guys because they're so cute. Super cute. And then, let's see, we have this guy down here. He's a little terrier puppy who is 8 weeks old. buddy. He's adorable. Okay. Our turn. This is a cute little stray shepherd husky. Little girl. And after the stray house, she'll be available for adoption. She's about 10 weeks old. She's very curious. But look at that face. Oh. That's cute. Cute. Love it. That's everyone. We've seen everyone. That's everyone, guys. Thank you so much for joining our tour. Thank you, Wendy, for passing out all the treats. We love you. Say goodbye. Oh, hey, guys, what do you think his name should be? What should his name be? Leave it in the comments. Let us know. Please don't say Spot. We don't need a dog named Spot. But what do you think his name should be? We'll see you next week, guys. Don't forget, our Bissell adoption event is going on this weekend. You can adopt any cat or dog for $25. Woo, woo, woo. Bye, guys.